show you something we've discovered via YouTube. We used YouTube and we adapted our own. So hello for looking. So we're having a bit of a panic that we're running out of face masks. So we've made our own. And they're blooming amazing. So anybody who hasn't got a face mask, you need to do this. What you need... Actually, Kerry, would you like to...
Put mine on.
Kerry's going to put on what we've made.
Okay.
Hopefully it will work.
Here's one we prepared earlier.
Here's one we prepared earlier. Oh, parrot. Excuse the state of my hair because we've been putting them on and off and on and off.
Okay. Look at this.
Look at this. We've made face masks.
Right, even can put my glasses on.
You can even put the glasses on.
Look at that.
So, let me show you the main ingredient.
Pop a bottle in it.
Go away. No, right, the main ingredient now is dog training puppy pads. And Christina Malenko, I know you have these. I will be tagging you in. So, how you make them is you get a puppy pad, and we worked out that this size is good for a face mask. Should we measure the size?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Bear with us.
Well, you carry on, I'll get a measure.
Oh no, Kerry's got to talk. Freestyle. Okay, so we cut a piece of tissue. Sorry about the horror door. And it's 22 centimetres that way, and 20.5 centimetres that way. Anyway, we use this as our template, and we cut out the puppy pad.
So you can see the green, no, the other side.
Oh, yeah, so the good thing about the puppy pad, because you can do this just with kitchen towel, but we wanted something that was a little bit more waterproof. It was this or sanitary towels. At the moment I've got one with the puppy pad. Now I've got gloves on because I've cleaned my hands so much they look like gardener's hands, and I didn't want to put you through that. Jolly. So we've cut this. Obviously I've cut it not brilliantly. Look how bad I've cut that.
That's why you can fold it up anyway.
Hold on, where's the scissors?
Oh.
My glamorous assistant's going to
them.
pass the scissors.
Okay.
I'm just going to tidy my shoddy work up. So we have the puppy pad. Now, I don't know if you can see this. So what you do is you just fold it. Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah.
Can everybody see that?
Like a concertina, like a fan when you was in school.
And you fold it. And you keep folding it. I'll try and do it quicker.
That's it.
So it's like this. Like this, right? Then you get some elastic. Now, Kerry, I haven't cut it.
Oh, epic
Not that
fail,
one.
sorry, hold on.
We didn't prepare. We know Blue Peter, but we're quite impressed. We've gone on a mission to find out how to make, because we want to put them. We want to put them on our do it a little bit longer because I want to not. We want to put them on our clients as well, and you know, if we come to having to go to the shops or anything, we're on lockdown. It's nice to have something protecting the people that we're shielding. So mum and dad, get ready. You're having one of these.
So pin a knot.
So you didn't measure it?
I did measure it. I measured it against mine.
Yeah, but they don't know how long to be.
Oh, sorry. Undo my knot.
Do excuse my assistant, she's new.
Hold on.
Kerry's my sister, by the way. My
Okay.
phone's ringing.
Oh.
So we cut the string.
Elastic,
and haberdashery, they have loads of elastic, not in Wokenham because we've bought it all.
37 centimetres.
So we cut this elastic, take it from you, could you hold my thing for me? So we cut the elastic at 37 centimetres, and then we tie a little knot in the end.
Can we do it? Can we put this on?
No, it's alright. Just talk amongst yourselves for a minute. Just stay in my hair. How many times have we put this thing on? So we do a little knot in one end. Just in case you're blind. In case you're blind.
And the elastic's not too strong, is it? The elastic's not too strong?
No, it's not strong elastic. It's elasticy elastic. It's not. We bought a thick one and it just was too thick. So if anyone wants elastic trousers, we've got some. So we do a knot in each end. Now I hope this works. A knot in each end. Then industrial stapler. So far all you need is elastic, puppy pads and an industrial or a strong stapler or just a stapler. And then we're going to staple the elastic to the end.
In front of the knot.
Yeah.
So that it doesn't slip.
It's on.
Secure.
It's like I've done it before. You can tell we're quiet at work.
Can I see what you're doing?
They can see. And then I'm attaching it the other side and I'm going to staple the elastic on. Whoever's phoning Kerry, she's busy.
It's your client.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So now we've attached it each side.
Should we cut the knuckles off and make it pretty?
Oh, and we're gonna cut the ends off and make it look a little bit prettier. So you can you see? You just hold on. Can you see? You cut the end off to make it look pretty.
And your elastic in.
You cut that off. They've probably got things to do. Oh no, everyone's indoors. Cut the elastic. No, I'll leave the elastic there. So now you have your face mask, but the problem with this face mask is because this is so plastic, it's hard to breathe through and it feels like you're suffocating. So you can get, I've got a needle, but you could just get a pin from your sewing kit. And because it's super fine, we just put a few holes in it. And I know maybe people say it defeats the object, but it's so fine and we're doing it round the edge that, do you know what, it's better than nothing.
And our masks are like paper anyway.
And our masks are like paper anyway. Again, I'm a parrot. Right, I'm going to put this on now. I'm going to put one in the middle. You can put more in the middle, but we kind of... Obviously, we're very good at this. It's okay, it's okay. Right, here goes. Watch it ping off and hit Kerry in the eye. Oh, I did a snort. That's just for you guys. Look at that.
Look at that.
Is it on?
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
And I have to say...
Me, your chin's touch it.
You're itching to social, what is it?
Distancing.
Social distancing rule doesn't count with your sister.
Can you breathe okay?
I can breathe fine.
Yeah?
Look, I feel more secure in this than anything else.
You steaming up?
No, I'm not steaming up. Maybe some more holes in it.
It's when you put your glasses on, isn't it?
Don't give it to children or without lots of holes. But I tell you what, maybe the elastic could be a little bit longer. You can play around with it, but puppy pads, they're cheap. Let me take this off. They're cheap puppy pads. Elastic, you could always use string, ribbon.
Elastic bands even.
We started with elastic bands, but they hurt behind your ears. Obviously, normally if I have gloves on, I wouldn't do that with my hair. But I feel like now we can give these to clients.
Suffocate our clients.
We can give these to clients. We'll put more holes in the front. And but I feel more safer, and you can always make this for your older people in the house that if they have to go shopping, it's better than nothing. So that's the new face mask. Give me a little yay if you liked it. Oh.
Okay, here, yay!
But we like it, and we feel much, much safer now. So there you go, puppy pads. I think all of these was like £6. Oh, thank you. Here come the hearts. All of these was like £6. So I would get to Pets at Home or somewhere like that and get some. And then also, if you've got a puppy, they're handy too. So that's it from us. I hope it helped, and get making your face masks. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, hold on. Can't see. We're
We're
not going.
That's it.
I can't even see without my glasses on. I bet I look really beautiful right now. Oh, bye.